Humble yourselves before the Lord, and He will lift you up in honor. James chapter 4, verse 10. With hearts filled with gratitude and joy, we are truly honored to welcome a humble servant of the people and a man of deep faith, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, the only Chief Minister who is Catholic and here in India. इसलिए हमारे मुख्यमंत्री की तरह हम सब यहाँ युवा युवती जो बैठे हैं, एक दिन उसी की तरह क्या आप बनने चाहते हैं? क्या बनना चाहते हैं? तो आइए हम जोरदार ताली बजाएंगे क्योंकि हमारे लिए प्रेरणा है वो। In a world that often celebrates power and position, he stands out as a shining example of Christian leadership. Simple, gentle, and yet firm in conviction and action. A man who walks humbly with God and leads with integrity. His love and concern for the young are well known. His words of encouragement have consistently inspired the youth to dream big, live purposefully, and lead responsibly. मैं खुद ही जानता हूँ क्योंकि मैंने सर से बहुत समय बिताए हैं और सर से बहुत समय भी मैंने बात की है और उनके साथ चर्चा की है और वहीं से मैं पहचानता हूं कि युवाओं को बहुत प्रेम करते हैं और युवाओं को बहुत प्रोत्साहन देते हैं। सर, आज यहाँ पे 3,500 यंग पीपल, युवाओं 132 डायसिस से यहाँ उपस्थित है for the National Youth Convention witness. We are deeply blessed by your presence, dear Honorable Chief Minister, and we eagerly await the message you have for us, your younger brothers and sisters in faith. Yes, you who truly understands and uplifts the youth. We now, dear young people, let us join in warmly welcoming Shri Conrad K. Sangma, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, for his message to each one of us. जोरदार तालियां और स्वागत करें।
A very good morning to everyone. I must confess, I don't know who Father Burman was talking about just a few minutes back. I think he said a bit too much. But I thank him for the introduction. And I thank the Almighty for having organized this program, made it possible for all of us to be here, and made it possible for me to be here with all of you to celebrate him, celebrate our church, and celebrate 25 years of ICYM. Your Eminence, Philippe Neri Firao, our respected Cardinal, Most Reverend Ignatius D'Souza, our Chairman of CCBI Youth Commission, Reverend Father Stephen Alatara, a Deputy Secretary of the CCBI, Reverend Father Chetan Machado, the Executive Secretary of the CCBI Youth Commission, my dear friend, Father John Burman, MSFS, Reverend Father Anup, the Regional Youth Director, Kerala Region, Reverend Father Jiju, the Deputy Secretary of the Kerala Bishops' Conference, all our devoted priests and sisters who are present out here, leaders of the Indian Catholic Youth Movement, our respected elders, and most importantly, my beloved young people and all my cherished friends who are present out here. Friends, today we gather not merely to mark a milestone, but we gather to inspire a transformation. The Silver Jubilee of the Indian Catholic Youth Movement and the Jubilee Year of Hope for our Holy Catholic Church are not simply anniversaries. They are clarion calls to action, to transformation, and to courageous witness in our turbulent world. Look around you. More than 3,000 passionate youth, priests, religious, and animators from every corner of India. And this is a living tapestry of faith, service, and hope. This assembly is proof that the church's future is not just bright, it is ablaze with your energy, your dream, and your resolve. The theme, you are my witness because you have been with me, is not a gentle suggestion. Friends, to witness is to stand up. To witness is to speak out. To witness is to radiate Christ's love in every sphere: school, workplace, family, and society. Your faith is meant to be lived out loud, disrupting indifference and confronting injustice. You are called not to blend in, but to stand tall as beacons of hope in a world longing for light. To witness is not simply to speak, but to live in such a way that your life becomes a message. Guided by leaders like His Eminence Cardinal Philippe Neri and Most Reverend Ignatius D'Souza, commit to blending spiritual depth with social impact. For 25 years, ICYM has not just survived, but it has led, served, and shown. You have forged leaders of integrity, built bridges of compassion, and inspired a culture of service. This Jubilee is not the end of a chapter, but it is a start of a revolution of hope. The world is watching. Let your deeds resound louder than words. A special greeting to the dynamic youth of Northeast India. At the 5th Northeast Regional Youth Convention in Kohima, you answered the call as pilgrims of hope. Your unity, creativity, and courage are living proof that faith is a journey and a force for transformation. You have shown the nation how to carry hope forward. United, undaunted, and unstoppable. Our youths across the world face immense challenges, such as mental health struggles, job uncertainty, climate crisis, digital dangers, ethical confusion, and the scourge of addiction and division. But you are not victim. Remember, you are not victims. You are warriors. Mental health is not a stigma, but a cause for solidarity. Employment challenges are opportunities for innovation. Environmental threats are calls to stewardship. Digital complexities demand discernment. Moral confusion is your moment to stand firm. Polarization is your chance to unite. But challenges are only half the story. The opportunities before you are limitless. Use the digital era to build, not break. Harness social entrepreneurship to uplift the marginalized. Lead the green revolution to heal the earth. Leverage your global connections to think big but act globally, locally. Use your platforms to amplify truth, justice, and compassion. The ICYM is your launch pad, and let your generation be remembered as the one that dared to change the world. Friends, hope is not passive. It's a choice we make daily. First, prioritize wellness. Mental health is a mission readiness. Support one another and find peace through prayer. and then act. Pursue practical skills and volunteerism. Dream boldly while starting small. Our witness must extend to the earth. Champion stewardship and let your example inspire change. Friends, in this digital age, use technology as an instrument of truth and kindness. Live your values by embodying integrity, courage, and compassion. Crucially, bridge the divides and serve inclusively. Friends, remember, we are here to unite and not to polarize. Friends, to witness is to live in a way that your life becomes a message. Let your actions make faith tangible. Let your actions make hope contagious. And let your actions make love appealing. Go forth and live your hope. Hope begins with you. Not tomorrow, not next year, but right now. Friends, let this Jubilee be the fire that reignites your spirit, the challenge that sharpens your purpose, the call that sets your feet in motion. Lead with boldness, serve with humility, and shine with the light of Christ. May this Jubilee of hope and the sacred words, "You also are my witness," ignite in you a faith that acts, a hope that endures, and a love that builds a new world. While congratulating the Indian Catholic Youth Movement, I appeal to you to go forth and be the change maker our church, our country, and our world so urgently need. I once again would like to thank the ICYM for having invited me here for this program. आज हमारे देश के अलग अलग कोनों से जो हमारे कैथोलिक युवाएं आज इस प्रोग्राम में आए हैं, आप सभी का स्वागत है। और आज और इन 5 दिनों में, इन 5 दिनों में देश के हर कोने से जो हमारे कैथोलिक यूथ्स आए, मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि हमारे इस देश का जो अलग अलग संस्कार, अलग अलग कल्चर्स, अलग अलग हमारे गान, हमारे नाच, हमारे अलग अलग वैल्यूज आज इस ICYM के थ्रू सबको आज उसका कुछ कुछ झलक देखने को मिला। आज जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट और मेघालय से आए हुए हमारे क्वायर्स, मैं उनका बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं कि आज उन्होंने होली मास के समय जिस तरीके से भगवान का दिया हुआ टैलेंट आज उन्होंने आप सबके सामने प्रस्तुत किया। आज मुझे विश्वास है कि वो भी बहुत ही अच्छा महसूस कर रहे होंगे और उनका मुख्यमंत्री होने के नाते मैं भी बहुत अच्छा महसूस कर रहा हूं। उड़ीसा से आए हुए हमारे जो डांस ट्रूप थे, एक दो बार मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मेरे सामने कार्डिनल जी बैठे थे तो मुझे लगा कि उनका पैर भी हिलना शुरू हुआ। और मुझे लगा कि अगर आप लोगों ने 2-3 मिनट और नाचा होता तो शायद कार्डिनल जी मेरा हाथ पकड़ के मुझे स्टेज में ले जाते हैं नाचने के लिए। बहुत अच्छा लगा आपका परफॉर्मेंस, आपका व्यवहार और सभी चीजें आज एक तरीके से हमारे चर्च को, हमारे कैथोलिक मिशन, हमारे लोगों को और पूरे भारत के लोगों को इस ICYM के प्रोग्राम के थ्रू और जिस तरीके से 5 दिन आपने बिताए, इसके थ्रू मैं चाहूंगा कि हम एक बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग और पावरफुल मैसेज दें कि हमारा जो युवा है वो किसी से कम नहीं है। हमारे युवा इस देश के प्रेजेंट है और देश के फ्यूचर है। और हमारे कैथोलिक यूथ कंधे से कंधा मिला के, हाथ से हाथ मिला के सभी देश के बाकी यूथ के साथ देश के प्रगति के लिए, देश की यूनिटी के लिए हम काम करेंगे। और ये एक विश्वास और ये मैसेज मुझे आज इस ICYM प्रोग्राम के थ्रू मुझे आज ये देखने को मिला। इसके लिए एक बार फिर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी के सभी मेंबर्स को मैं धन्यवाद कहना चाहता हूं और सबसे ज्यादा हमारे साथ हमारे कार्डिनल जो गोवा से आए, आज हमारे साथ उन्होंने समय बिताया। आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आपका जो मोटिवेशन और आपका जो प्रेयर और ब्लेसिंग जो हम सभी को चाहिए, मुझे विश्वास है कि आगे भी आप हमारे लिए प्रार्थना करेंगे, देश के लिए और हमारे युवाओं के लिए आप ब्लेसिंग जरूर देंगे। हमारे बिशप इग्नेशियस डी डिसूजा जी को भी मैं, मोस्ट रेवरेंड इग्नेशियस डिसूजा जो हमारे चेयरमैन हैं, आज उनका एनर्जी देखकर मुझे और मेरा हौसला बढ़ा। जब आप उन्हें देखते हैं तो थोड़ा सा स्माइल करने में देरी लगती है उन्हें, बहुत सीरियस है, ऐसे में तो सीधा उनका मुंह रहता है, कभी कभी डर लगता है हाथ मिलाने के लिए। लेकिन जैसे ही स्टेज में आए और उन्होंने मुंह खोला तो बिल्कुल बदल गए। इतना एनर्जी, इतना प्रेम, इतना मोटिवेशन। मुझे विश्वास है कि उनके लीडरशिप में हमारा जो यूथ मिशन बहुत तेजी से आगे बढ़ेगा। ICYM के सभी मेंबर्स को एक बार फिर ये बहुत बढ़िया प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए और यहाँ पे मुझे आकर आप सबसे कुछ मिनट बात करने के लिए जो आप लोगों ने मुझे समय दिया, एक बार फिर आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। एंड वंस अगेन आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक आवर यूथ from all over the country, and especially the youth who have come from Northeast, and especially the youth who have come from my state of Meghalaya. Thank you so much for being part of this movement, and let me conclude by assuring you that I may be slightly elder to you, but I am also a Catholic youth at heart. And I will stand by you, with you, in all the endeavors and all the activities that you do. We are always there to support you. I once again congratulate you for all the work that you've done and wish you all the very best for your future. May God bless each and every one of you. May God bless ICYM. Thank you very much.
Dear Sir, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, we are truly grateful for your inspiring message. We are truly motivated and thank you for your time and your thoughts with us. We extend a heartfelt gratitude to you for graciously accepting our invitation to be here with us on this momentous occasion of the ICYM Jubilee celebration in Kerala, despite traveling all the way from the Seven Sisters of India. Your presence has truly enriched our gathering. We now would like to felicitate you, sir. To do the honor, I would like to invite His Eminence Philip Cardinal Ferro to felicitate our special invitee of this occasion, Sri Conrad K. Sangma, Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Thank you, sir, and thank you, Your Eminence.
Now, to lift our hearts in joy and praise, I invite Lossless Reason to lead us with devotional song Lean On Me, with their enchanting voices and beautiful harmony.
Sometimes in our lives, we all have pain, we all have sorrow. But if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow.
Lean on me when you're not strong.
Now you I'll help you carry on, for it won't be long. I'm gonna need somebody to lean on.
Just hold on me, brother, when you need a hand.
We all need somebody.